Okay, forest vlog update. I think we're not alone tonight. Okay, forest vlog update. I think we're not alone tonight. A green light just appeared near the ridge. I saw it again, near the old creek, just past 2. Different this time. Brighter. This wasn't here yesterday. The ground's warm. The birds won't come near it. I touched it. My fur tingled for 10 minutes. I found this where the green light vanished. It's not wood. It's not metal. It hums when I hold it. I asked if they were watching humans too. He blinked. I think that means yes. I offered him mushrooms.
He declined. Probably wise.
He doesn't talk with words. It's like a feeling, a warm idea in my chest. He asked if I was lonely.
All right, folks, that's it for today's intergalactic forest update. He came, he vibed, he still won't try my pinecone stew.